that JT's favorite professional sports team is? The San Francisco Giants. I was devastated because he works for the Rockies, but that's okay. Well, these amazing students behind me reached out to the San Francisco Giants, and they came through for us. So we would like to present to you, JT, I want you to read the card they sent you, and then we want to show you all the stuff they wanted for you.
Hey JT, we're all thinking of you, bud. Keep fighting. Love, your Giants family.
So, JT, on behalf of the San Francisco Giants, first, they sent you a Giants jersey, but let's turn it around. It is set just for JT Harshbarger. So, there's one thing. For us Rocky fans, it's a little hard, but we're okay. JT, they want you to have one of their commemorative hats. That this is "The Force is Strong" with the city of San Francisco. So JT's hat. They sent, in which they honor a lot of pediatric cancer patients, a trophy that has pediatric cancer awareness on behalf of the San Francisco Giants. These might be pants for you, but these are official socks that the San Francisco Giants and Buster Posey wears. Buster says, "Good luck, JT." And last but not least, the Giants wanted JT to have a special book on each one of their players. And one of our goals, my son works for the Colorado Rockies, is when they come to town, our goal is to get JT to throw out the first pitch when they play the Rockies. So, we're going to get that, everybody. And we're hoping JT will have the ability to send a message. We're going to videotape him in his jersey, and we'll ship it back out to the Giants to tell them how much he appreciates them. But what a great thing for the San Francisco Giants to reach out to JT, and hey, what better kid than to give him a #1 jersey? Thank you, JT.